In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase credit card dispute process. If you're trying to dispute a incorrect transaction or a unrecognized transaction within your Chase application, all you want to do is head over to your transaction history and then simply pick the one that you're trying to dispute. Within the transaction section, you'll be able to see the option called dispute a charge. As soon as you do that, you'll need to answer a few prompts that is going to be asked to you, such as if it was a case of a fraudulent charge or a incorrect amount. So depending upon what your case is, you need to select that option, and then you need to attach your evidence, which could be the supporting digital documents such as the copies of your cancellation email, your return receipts, or your merchant's communication. So that's pretty much all there is to it, and this is the exact way that you can dispute a transaction within the Chase credit card. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.